In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to replace the filters on your iAdaptAir unit. Push down on the front latches, remove the lid, pull out one filter, pull out the second filter, and then simply put your new filters in. And then you reattach your lid, slide it backwards. Make sure you push all the way down on the forward latches. If you do not push the latches all the way in, the unit will not turn on. And then you simply turn the unit on. And to reset the indicator timer, you hold down the information button for a few seconds until you hear those 3 beeps. And now it's been reset. And you will see the remaining filter life is 100%. That's how simple it is to replace the filters on your iAdaptAir.